Hello my friends, have you ever wondered if the PS5 Pro with all the hype surrounding it is actually worth upgrading to, or if it's just another marketing gimmick? If better graphics, smoother gameplay at 60 FPS instead of 30, and an overall more polished gaming experience sound tempting to you, then you've got to stick around for this video. In this video, I'm putting the PS5 Pro and the regular PS5 side by side to see if there's any real difference or if it's just all talk. Plus, we'll figure out if it's really worth spending around $700 on it, or if you're better off saving your money. Trust me, this review might just make your decision a whole lot easier. And hey, if you find this helpful, a cheeky like and subscribe would mean the world to me. Let's go. Alright, let's start by checking out the key benefits of the PS5 Pro. 67% more graphical cores, 45% faster rendering speed. The new PSSR technology for intelligent image upscaling, double the storage, now up to 2 TB, 28% faster RAM with a bit more capacity added, support for Wi-Fi 7, a slight boost in processor speed, and a slimmer disc-free design. Now here's the thing, just like Xbox, Sony is marketing this disc-free design as a feature, but if you want to add a disc drive later, you'll need to shell out an extra $100. That's quite a lot, especially since many people still prefer buying physical games. They like having them readily available at all times. If the price feels steep, you could always try looking for second-hand options which might be more affordable. Just make sure you're getting an authentic product. For a quick comparison, when the PS4 Pro launched, it was priced at $400, almost half the cost of the PS5 Pro. So this mid-gen upgrade comes with a much heftier price tag. What's PSSR technology all about? One of the standout features of the PS5 Pro is PSSR, or PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. It's a technology powered by AI that upscales low-resolution images to make them look as sharp and realistic as native 4K. This approach works way better than older upscaling methods like the checkerboard technique used in previous PlayStation consoles. To give you a clearer idea, it's similar to what NVIDIA DLSS or AMD FSR does for gaming PCs. Most upgraded games for the PS5 Pro take advantage of PSSR to deliver not only better graphics, but also to boost frame rates from 30 to 60 FPS. Let's dive into some popular games and see how they perform. Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. On the PS5 Pro, this game introduces a new versatility mode, which bumps the previous 30 FPS quality mode up to a smooth 60 FPS. The combination of the PS5 Pro's power and PSSR technology makes the gameplay incredibly fluid. Even if you compare the Pro's enhanced mode with the regular PS5's performance mode, you'll notice that the standard version looks much softer in comparison. Alan Wake 2. In this game, both the quality and performance modes have seen some improvements. The quality mode now targets 4K at 30 FPS with enhanced reflections thanks to ray tracing. However, the difference isn't groundbreaking. Meanwhile, the performance mode delivers a higher resolution and a solid 60 FPS, but without ray tracing. Demon's Souls. Here's where things get really interesting. The cinematic 30 FPS mode from the standard PS5 has been upgraded to 60 FPS on the Pro without sacrificing image quality. This is one of those games where, once you experience 60 FPS, it's really hard to go back to 30 FPS. F1 24. This game gets an upgrade on the PS5 Pro with PSSR, now offering 4K quality, 60 FPS, and ray tracing. If you switch to performance mode, you can crank the frame rate up to 120 FPS, though it comes at the cost of slightly reduced detail. If you've got a 120Hz TV, this is going to be an absolutely incredible experience for you. Horizon Forbidden West. This game has received one of the best upgrades for the PS5 Pro, offering 3 distinct modes. Favor Resolution Pro, high quality visuals at 30 FPS, Favor Performance Pro, high quality visuals at 60 FPS, Balanced Pro, a mix of both, targeting 40 FPS. In all modes, the visuals are sharper and the details are more precise. The 60 FPS mode in particular makes gameplay much more enjoyable. Spider-Man 2. Me delivers 4K resolution, 30 FPS, and impressive ray tracing effects. But the real winner here is the Performance Pro mode, which takes the fidelity mode of the standard PS5 and boosts it to 60 FPS. This is the best of both worlds and feels like the perfect way to experience this game. Now, here's the big question. Is the PS5 Pro worth buying or upgrading to? For most people, the answer is probably no, unless of course better graphics and higher frame rates are really important to you, or you're planning to play games like GTA 6 in the best possible quality. At $700, the price is definitely on the high side. But even so, building a gaming PC with similar performance at this price would be much harder to pull off. Now, if you're into specific games where you'd actually notice the upgraded quality, the PS5 Pro might be worth it. And if you're just planning to get a PS5 for the first time, then going for the Pro makes even more sense. You'll have the latest tech and get to enjoy all the new features. Thanks for sticking with me till the end, friends. I really hope this comparison was helpful and gave you a clearer picture of what the PS5 Pro has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by liking it and subscribing to TipsoTech channel so I can keep bringing you awesome content. Thanks a ton, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.